So here we have HALONIX smart Wi-Fi plug, and here it is 16 ampere plug. So now I will show you how to pair it. So now I have connected the plug into a socket and turn the supply. So now you can see here we have a red LED on. It means plug is already on. If you connect something in it, then the thing will be turned on. So the plug has got two LEDs, one is green light and one is red light. So red light I have already told you. Now green light is Wi-Fi connecting status. So to set the plug, first of all install the HALONIX smart app. So launch the app. Now first of all connect your phone to a Wi-Fi network to which you want to add the plug. So now it is connected, and turn on the location because app will ask you for location permission afterwards. So to set the plug into pairing mode, press the button for 5 seconds. So now you can see green light is blinking. It means that plug is set in pairing mode. Now go to add device in the app, here or here, and select the third option, socket Wi-Fi. Now confirm it, and here password is coming automatically. When you would be using app for the first time, you have to enter the password manually. So confirm the correct Wi-Fi password. So now you can see it is in process. So now as you can see it is showing that added successfully. Now press done. So this is the UI of the app. So when you press it, the plug turn off, and you can also turn on from here. So simultaneously the screen also turns on. So off and on. So here in the app you have some options like to put an schedule when plug will turn on, or if you want a specific timer for how much time you want to turn on the plug. And then there is electric option where you get the voltage and power ratings and current of the device to which your plug is connected. So now I am connecting a fan here. So now you can see the current, wattage and voltage ratings are all shown here in the app. Now if you want to turn off, so now you can see fan is turned off. So you can also control it through the Alexa app. So for it you have to connect your device on Amazon Alexa app and pair it using the HALONIX Wi-Fi skill. So let us try. We can take it off and just we can see the LED status. Alexa, turn off HALONIX Wi-Fi plug.
I'm having trouble connecting to the network. Please try again a bit later.
Alexa, turn off HALONIX Wi-Fi plug. So here you can see it is controlled using Alexa. And now you can also control it through the Google. For that you have to connect the plug using the Google Home app. So let us try it. Okay Google, turn on HALONIX Wi-Fi plug. So here you can see
Turning the HALONIX
it is
Wi-Fi
turned
plug
on, and you also get a UI. From here you can turn off or turn on. That's all. Thank you.